If you have Indian driving license, then you can use golden chance path to get the UAE driving license. So please watch the video till the end to know all the steps. It's very easy. Step 1, eye test. So you have to do the eye test in the recognized centers like Yatim, Majid and Al Jaber. It will cost around 180. Step 2, legal translation. So you need to translate your Indian driving license to Arabic. So you need to reach the proper translation center. It will cost around 150 AED. Step 3, open driving license in a file via TAM app. So you have to log in the TAM app and you need to start the process. You will receive a confirmation SMS. Step 4, take theory and practical test. So book and complete the theory test and practical driving test. So the fees may include as shown here. Step 5, receive your Abu Dhabi driving license. Upon passing, you will receive it. Now enjoy driving inside the UAE like Dubai, Abu Dhabi, everywhere. So this is the total summary of cost. It will be around AED 2350 AED. By using golden chance, you will get the UAE driving license. Please subscribe my channel.